Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm cooking seafood fettuccine. Don't really have a better name for it, so if y'all want, if it sounds interesting, sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and I'm going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, starting out here, got my frying pan out. I'm going to put just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in there. Get that started out, and while that's warming up, we're going to add one small chopped onion, small to medium, depending on how if you like your onion or not. And then we're also going to add 1 can of mushrooms, a little bit of their juice left in there. So get these sauteing up. Just want to soften the onions and warm up the mushrooms here. So get that all coated up there like that. So, alright, I'm going to get these sauteing up. We'll bring you back when we start adding more ingredients. Hang on. Alright y'all, our onions and mushrooms are starting to sizzle there a little bit. This is where I'm going to add a couple good spoonfuls of onion, or garlic, I'm sorry. This is minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm going to add a little bit like that to it. And I'm also going to add some Italian seasoning. Just a little bit here to start. We'll add more down the road. We just want them spices to get mingled in there, so get that all mixed up in there nice and everything. Alright. I'm going to throw a lid on this. Let these things just cook here just a little bit. Let them get a little soft. And then we'll continue adding more stuff to it. Alright y'all. These onions are really starting to soften up nicely. So at this point, my little white cooking wine. I can get the lid open. There we go. Add a little bit of that right now. And I'm sure we'll add a little bit more later on down the road. So get that kind of in there. And then we're going to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And 1 can of tomato paste. If I can get the tomato paste out of the jar, or out of the can I should say. I broke my little spatula that I usually use. I'm using a little knife here. Try to get most all of it out of the can. That's going to be good enough. Scrape that off the side. Let's get that mixed in. Oop. A little splash here. Now we're just kind of warming up the tomatoes and the tomato paste. Don't really need to cook that. But man, does that look good. Wish you all could smell this. It smells really good. So alright, I'm going to throw the lid back on this. Got it kind of mixed together there. I'm going to throw the lid back on it and let it just come up to temperature here, and we'll bring you right back. Alright y'all, see this is bubbling here. Got it going nice. Give it a little stir here. Off camera here I got a little salted water for my fettuccine to cook up in. So, oh yeah, that looks like it's about ready. So next we're going to add the next two ingredients. This is some uncooked shrimp and some mussels. Just get them pushed all kind of down in there. These are frozen, so it'll take a little bit to get them going, but get them in there. We're going to cover them up. Now the mussels are pre-cooked. I buy them pre-cooked frozen. I buy the shrimp uncooked frozen. So just need to warm the mussels up and cook the shrimp, but it won't take long. We'll get that going. So when that's all done and the fettuccine is done, we will bring you all back and plate it up and give her a taste test. Alright y'all, it's been a few minutes here. Everything's cooking up nice. The mussels are opening up really nice. Everything's boiling, bubbling here, so I'm just going to give it a little stir here. Make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom and burning. Oh yeah. If you guys could smell this, one of these days somebody's going to come up with smell-o-vision. And these videos are going to go insane. So, alright. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of this white wine to it, just because that's what I want to do. So, alright. She's cooking nice. Water's just about ready over here. I'm going to throw this cover back on here. Let them cook for a few more minutes while that's cooking over here. And we'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, show you what this looks like when it's all cooked up here. You know, them mussels, I'm not gonna lie to you, I already tried one of the mussels. They're nice and open. Shrimp's all nice and cooked here. The fettuccine's just about done. Got less than a minute on that. So I just wanted to give you guys a good look at that. So, alright, we'll bring you back here in just a minute. Alright y'all, got the noodles all done over there. So I'm going to grab me a spoonful of them. Nice little bit of fettuccine noodles here. And grab me some of those. And then we're going to get our spatula here. We're going to spoon some of this goodness over top of this. Oh, look at that, guys. Get a couple of them mussels up on there. Oh yeah, I think we want a couple more of them mussels. Man, my mouth's watering just sitting here looking at this, smelling it. Oh yeah. If I can get me a couple more of them shrimp and mushrooms out of there. Oh yeah, y'all are gonna have to come over and visit sometime and, you know, get some of this good old cooking here. So, alright, let me get the camera turned around here and we'll do a little taste test on here. Alright y'all, here we go. Got the little taste test going on here. I'm gonna start out with one of them shrimp. Of course I already had one, you know that. That is so good. See if I can get one of the mussels pulled out of here. Alright, got one of the mussels here. I love mussels. Mussels are so good. Get some of this fettuccine here. Which is very hot. Of course, you don't like eating stuff cold, do you? Me neither. So, all right, that's really good. All right, I'll have another bite of that. That's really, really good. Oh, we got the beverage of the day too. 100% pure grape juice. Good stuff. Alright, y'all. Thank you all for stopping, watching. Hope you like this recipe. Hope you're going to try this recipe. If you would, go down there in the comment box. Leave me a little comment. While you're down there, hit that thumbs up. Reach over there and hit that share button. Share this with all your friends. You know, everybody likes good cooking, you know. So share it out. Let them see what we're doing here. See what you're trying. So, alright, y'all. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget about the Sunday live streams. Every Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And, you know, as always, bon appetit. Thanks for watching.